Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn internal CSS. What is internal CSS and where to apply this internal CSS to HTML forms. These are the major two questions you will be answered in this session. It's very simple. Open the HTML form source code and see here. Earlier we have written this inline code. I'm removing this one. Yes, the plain H1 tag, and I have removed this one also. This is the paragraph tag, right? See, when I'm telling you this is the code for internal, see, this is the styles tag you have to initiate within the head section. This head section, if you are declaring like this style, type is CSS, and the body, you are initiating the body here. Means this body part which is having this all will be applicable whenever you are writing something like body within the parenthesis like curly braces, and you are writing attributes here for the entire page wherever the body and wherever the tags are available, it will be applicable entire the form. How pretty it is, easy. Like see, the attributes called background color, it is taken, or else this is the code for HTML code, how it would be taken. Like HTML colors, you will see. See here, very simple to take the HTML colors. Web colors. HTML web colors you take. Just simply see htmlcolorcodes.com. To the htmlcolorcodes.com, you will identify the codes of HTML colors, how you need to get it, and like I say here, which color you want to use, and all the things. See, this is the window box is here. Yeah, okay, got it. And now this dark circle, if you move to some around, which color, like if you like a blue, you place here. See, you get with the hash and this color. If you taken this number, color code, we can tell that like a hexa. This is a 333A4FF. This is the color code. Here it is highlighted the circle, and this box is representing the data color. And if you turn around this box wherever you want to make your own color, yes, within the blue, or if you want to make it as yellow, yes, you can make it as more. And if you want to make it as light orange, you see here, light orange it will be displayed. Let's see this color by applying there. Copy the symbol. Copy and you can apply over here by making paste. Control C and Control V. Save it and refresh our page. See this applied background? That is a very easy. See, this is the background we have set right for this page. Now, what I am going to explain you, if you want to take more colors by changing this around, which color you want to take by online itself you can choose. And here I would like to tell you something like chart is there, name is there, many things. And one more like a HTML color wheel. Yeah, HTML color wheel will help you to take the combination of the colors. Like which color you want to take, those things you can take it over here. See, this is the will tell you the combination of two colors. If you are go with the two or three colors, you can go with this. Like you can say that code picker, color code picker, and Adobe code picker. Many options are there. Find out with the Google, you will have the online facilities are available to pick n number of colors from the web. That's it. Take that color code and apply in our code. You will get the information of the like a background applying and all the making the beautification. Which color you feel good, you take that color and you apply over here. And the div tag. Once you prepare the div tag at the HTML body frame, this it will comes and it will be applies. Very simply, you can use this. This is so-called like a internal how we are going to apply the style sheets. When you are writing a style tag here and you are preparing within the head part, and now see, up to this style part, it is the code. For the A tag, if you are calling A links any, like if it is a link comma A visited, it will be colors like it will be moved like this. Text decoration, if any, if you want, you can make it, or it can be none. And now I would like to show you one thing over here, like H H2 tag is there. Just simply see here, I'm preparing H2 here. H2, and include the brace. And now color, I want to apply the color is some around blue. And one more, it is like text line equal to CN center. And one more tag, we have that P tag. Just simply like internal, we can use like this. Whenever you're using P tag in your entire HTML form, this P tag will be applicable there. Whereas inline we have written that particular tag only applicable that particular CSS code where we have implemented. Whereas in internal, if we've written this entire p tags wherever it is implying in our p like HTML form, all the p tags will be applied for the same style. That is the advantage of using of internal. All right. Now the color of p tag is I am mentioning here. It is green. Yes, and around the font size, I'm mentioning it is 30px. We'll write the sizes of the fonts in CSS and HTML. Px will use for the setting of the resolution in all of the font sizes. Now save this form and see this H2 and P tag I have done. I'm not written any like inline code here. So see, by applying and written the internal, we'll see the refresh the page. Just refresh. See now, it is applied for blue and it is centered, and it is applied for green and it is font. It's a 20px. We'll try to increase the 20 to around 20 to 30. Save and reload. See, wow, it is increased. For the box and text box and table and small boxes of the product information, by applying the shadows, many wonders you can create. What you are thinking about in your mind, by making the HTML with along with the CSS, you can create a beautiful web pages. See, by making this the style tag and having the review like summary, H2, which tag you want to apply this common attributes, you use this particular tag and write there. That's it over about to the internal CSS. And similarly, all you will take with this internal code, this all the internal code you will take commonly. If you want to make this common to entire project, you will create one more form block called CSS and paste over there and making the link availability on this particular HTML form by writing like C link. That's it. And make this is the form like some like style. You name it as the form which is your name CSS. That's it over. And where the form is available in your project structure, where it is available, you can specify the form, the path of the form. That's it's over. That is called so-called it's an external files as well. How we have in a separate lecture for that. We'll see there all very detailed explanation. I hope you are aware of how to apply and how to use internal CSS. We'll see more and more styles and focusing on more things to be done our upcoming lectures. We'll meet you soon with the next lecture. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.